Hey folks, just tore the radiators and all the hose off the go-kart. Getting ready. Fiberglass curing up out there. I'm taking the rest of the day off from the glass repair. Chuck's out there running the guts out of the hose and stuff, so on his project. So really only one of us can play around out there at a time. Gives me time to get this thing ready to go though, right? So interesting, 30 zip ties we cut off. That's what 30 zip ties looks like. And actually 8 and 6, you know, that's a lot of rubber hose. The 8-footer went from the radiator all the way back to the rear radiator, or to the bottle before I put the rear radiator on. That one's every bit of 8 foot when you stretch it out straight. This one's 6 foot, so, you know, 14 foot of hose plus. You know, I got the piece still on the go-kart that goes from the from the pump to the engine. That's probably another 2 to 3 feet, and then the piece that went from the radiator here to the bottle. So all in all, man, about 18 feet of rubber hose, man, on that go-kart. That's a lot of hose. So we're going to be cutting that literally in half. With the radiator here, and you know, the inlet on one side and the outlet on the other, out to the bottle and in from the motor, which is really here, just that bit here, right from the top of the motor. We'll end up relocating the fuel pump over here, and we'll run the hose so they both come this way. This one sits here, so they'll both come in this way, and that's the plan. That's the plan. Playing around. Beautiful day out there in Racing Roseville. Talk to y'all. God bless.